Well, since the first of the year, Big Y stores in Massachusetts have not sold tobacco products to anyone under 21 in accordance with state law. But on June 17th, Big Y won't sell cigarettes to anyone under 21 at their Connecticut stores as well, in anticipation of action by the state legislature. Big Y employees in Chicopee told 22 News they strictly adhere to the under 21 sales ban, even if it bothers some customers.
Oh my goodness, I get I'm old enough to be your grandfather. Do I really look like I'm under 21? And it's not really the fact that how you look. You could be really good at stage makeup. I don't know. We have to card. It doesn't even let us put it through the computer without having a valid birth date.
But since the Big Y store stopped selling cigarettes to anyone under 21, employees say there's been just a minor decline in the volume of cigarette sales.